Hi, Tony here again from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're looking at tap cartridges, the different types, mixer taps, single taps, old washer type valves, and we're trying to show you what they look like and where they go in relation to the types of taps you might have. Right, this is what we call a mono mixer tap. So it's a single tap. The hot and the cold supplies come through the bottom, and then it's got a cartridge in it. Now it will be something like, obviously these are huge, much bigger, but I thought these are easier to see for you guys. So this is a mono block. You can see there, on, then you turn it to the ports inside. Now this one that we call a peg leg, because as you can see it's got these legs extended with little pegs that fit into recessed holes within that body. That's called a peg leg cartridge, which is quite a large one, so it'll probably go in a bath mixer tap. This is the other style, which is we call a flat base, for obvious reasons, because the base is flat. Again, mixer, on off, left, right, hot and cold. Still has a couple of locating lugs, which all of them will have, because it's important they sit correctly with the configuration of the ports inside the tap itself. Right, here we're just going to show you a few basin taps. This is what they call a 3-hole mixer, obviously. 1, 2, 3 holes, cold, hot, and then a waste system in the middle. This one is a little mixer tap. This is a washer version, I'll show you in a minute. Another mixer tap, this is quarter turn, and then separate lever taps at the end. Now on this 3-hole mixer, quarter turn valves, and you can see that there's chrome showing. So these valves have to be like this, using a chrome spindle, because it's on view. If you come round here, we can see this is the same. This is the same. But this one here has got a shroud on it which covers it. So that could be a brass valve in there, because it wouldn't matter, there's nothing on show. So as I explained earlier, this one is a full turn, as you can see, how many turns. This isn't the exact valve for it, I'm just showing you what style this is like when we say full turn. You can see it's a washer valve going up and down. But this would need, for this type, would need a chrome spindle, so the correct valve would have a chrome spindle. I'm just using this to show you. So this one here, quarter turn, as you can see. So that's there. As you can see, the part visible is within the tap. These would use, more likely going to use something like that with a longer brass spindle, because it's got shrouds. So you can see on here is a thread. That's where these shrouds would fit, and then the handle pushes on over it. So there's no visible chrome required, as these are, where you've definitely got at least 20 mil of chrome showing.